The first step is to lift the front wheel post into position. Press the spring knobs into position and turn them clockwise until they're tight. The bolts on the side can be tightened with the included wrench. Place the handlebars into the assembly as shown. Reattach the upper part of the assembly with the screws and 2 washers provided. And finally, adjust the handlebar height to the appropriate level. Assembly takes only seconds, and you can fold the scooter down and attach it with the Velcro strap.